Prepositions are used to define the position of a noun. It is also used to show direction, movement, and the spatial distance relationship between two places, as well as the location.
I need to buy a gift for my sister.
For is a preposition.
I need to buy a gift for my sister. Here, we know that for is a preposition. For is a simple preposition. The simple prepositions in the English language are in, at, of, by, and if you take a look at the sentence more closely, we have to buy. Here to is not a preposition. To buy is the verb, and therefore it is the infinitive form of the verb, and to is not considered to be a preposition here. Simple prepositions are the shortest form of prepositions.
The gift shop is open up to 7 p.m.
Up to is a preposition.
The shop is open up to 7 p.m. Here, up to is the preposition and it is a double preposition. Why is it a double preposition? Up and to. They are two prepositions that is written side by side, and therefore it is known as a double preposition. Some of the other examples of double prepositions are up to, on to, into.
It's located in front of the bakery.
In front of is a preposition.
It is located in front of the bakery. Here, in front of. It is a preposition. It is known as a compound preposition. When there are two or more prepositions that are written together, then those prepositions are known as compound prepositions. Some of the examples of the compound prepositions are by means of, in addition to, on account of.
Considering the time, we need to move fast.
Considering is a preposition.
Considering the time, we need to move fast. Here, considering is the preposition. It is a participle preposition. Why is it a participle preposition? Consider is the verb, and when we add ing to the end of the verb, it forms the participle form, which is considering. And we have considering the time. The time is the noun. Some of the examples of the participle prepositions are following, including, excluding.
I am glad to buy a gift according to her wish.
According to is a preposition.
I am glad to buy a gift according to her wish. According to is the phrasal preposition. If you take the whole phrase, it is according to her wish. According to is the preposition and to her is the object. Phrase, as we know, consists of an verb and an object. It does not necessarily contain a subject. So when we have the head word as a preposition, then it is known as a prepositional phrase. So according to her wish is a prepositional phrase. Some examples of prepositional phrases are over the gate, next to him, on a journey. If you take a closer look, you find that there is an object next to the preposition. So when we have the preposition and the object, then it is known as a prepositional phrase. The cake is on the table. On is an example of a simple preposition. Mark jumped into the pool. Here, into is a double preposition. Keep the spoons in addition to the plates. Here, in addition to is the compound preposition. She met Peter on a journey. On a journey is the prepositional phrase. Pick up all the shirts excluding the white ones. Excluding is the preposition which is in the participle form.